Engine Joe here with Powertrain Company. This morning I was looking at this. This is an oil pump for a, let's see, this is for a 4.7, probably a Jeep Grand Cherokee. And it kind of got me thinking about the 4.7 and the 3.7 Chrysler engine. Pretty daggone popular engine. I want to talk to you about them just a little bit. You know, I've told you in the past how the factories love to name their engine, their product families, code names. And the 4.7 and the 3.7 are part of Chrysler's PowerTech family. That's what they call this particular group of engines. The 4.7, pretty popular stuff, man. 4.7 came out in '99 in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Then in 2000, the 3.7 came along, and to this day we have both those, 3.7 and 5.7. Really popular engines, been a good engine. They're found in over 14 models of vehicles over a 15-year lifespan. Dodge trucks, Dodge Ram trucks, I get confused on which one of those is which nowadays. The Dodge Durango, the Dakota, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Jeep Commander. It's in almost all of those, and it's been a really good engine. It's a single overhead cam, cast iron block, aluminum head. The last one, they were built at the Mack Avenue engine plant in Detroit. The last one came off the assembly line in 2013. Like I said, man, they've been a good engine. Now I know everybody's got issues with everybody's engines, but whether you're a GM guy, a Ford guy, or a Chrysler guy, you always have to recognize when a power plant stays around 15 years and is in that many vehicles. That thing's been in over 3 million vehicles on the road. It is a great power plant. Flaws, complaints, the biggest thing wrong with the 4.7, 3.7 PowerTech, it was in 3 million vehicles. And gang, I'm here to tell you, when you build that many of something and put it out there, there's going to be some issues. People are going to have problems. Some people are going to hate them. Some people are going to love them. You take them to a shop and a mechanic's going to say, oh, man, I see a lot of these. It must be a bad... No, he sees a lot of them because there is a lot of them. Okay? That's like saying the Model T was a bad car because I saw one broken down. Well, you know what? Yeah, out of the millions of those built, you darn right they broke down. There was a problem with the valve seat. These things have what's called powder metal cast iron valve seats. They also have powder metal cast iron rods. There's some blogs and some talk about how the powder metal might have a problem with the valve seats coming loose. The truth is, in our research, we find the valve seats were just pressed too loose at the factory. It's a cast iron hard metal ring pressed into an aluminum cavity. Heat, expansion, contraction, the things get loose, and generally around 100,000 miles or so they start to vibrate. Some of them come out, they fail, they cause a lot of trouble. But that's all there really was. It just happened, and it's not common to every 4.7, 3.7 PowerTech engine. They are a good, smooth, reliable engine in a lot of vehicles. The replacements are built. The engines that we sell at Powertrain Company, gang, they're built with technology that wasn't even available in 1999. We use a linear honing process instead of plateau honing. We're putting hyper-eutectic pistons in them. We do press those valve seats tighter than they were pressed at the factory, so that problem has been taken care of. Basically, these are the finest replacement PowerTech engines available today. You can't get a better engine, okay? They're probably a little bit better than Chrysler even thought they'd be, to be honest, especially in this remanufactured version. The new engine is going to be replaced by an engine called the Penstar, which is going to be a variable valve timing engine. Those won't be on the market for a while. They just came out in 2013, so we won't be building replacement engines for that for probably another couple of years at least. For now, when you need a 3.7 or a 4.7 Chrysler PowerTech engine, a replacement engine for your Dodge Ram, your Jeep Grand Cherokee, your Dakota, your Durango, Powertrain Company has the best engine available on the market today. With our free shipping, our no upfront core charge, the factory warranty. Remember how I always emphasize that. You want the factory warranty, and quite frankly, we have a staff that cares. And I think that's important. So when you're looking for a replacement for your 4.7, 3.7, I'm telling you, you can't do any better than Powertrain Company.